Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable autoplay for round video messages in your Telegram chats on PC. If you've noticed those circular video messages not playing automatically, this new update gives you control over that, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where all your customization options are located. After entering Settings, continue by selecting Advanced. This section contains more detailed controls that aren't visible in the basic settings. Now, inside the Advanced section, find and click on In Private Chats. This area controls how different types of messages behave in your one-on-one conversations. Here you'll see an option called Round Video Messages. This is the setting responsible for how those circular video clips work. To enable autoplay, simply turn this option on. After enabling it, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. This step is important. Otherwise, your new setting won't take effect.